So today we're going to be replacing the coil and distributor in my 3/4 ton here, black and blue. So far it's on its original coil and distributor, which has over 260,000 miles on it. And today we're going to be replacing the coil with an NGK and the distributor with a Delphi. So let's get started. So I got the distributor here pulled out and taken apart, and looking in the cap here you can see all of those points are corroded, and holy corrody, it's kind of bad in here, but that's why we got the new one. So let's get that put in. So taking a look here behind the engine where the distributor is, or the rear of the engine, you can see all of that crap that's collected around there. There's like a washer in the bottom left and stuff. So I've got this paper towel stuff down in there, and I'm going to try to clean her up real quick. I have the old coil off here, and comparing it to the new coil, they are almost exactly the same, which is like what we like to see. The only thing that I'm going to have to do though is, because the new one doesn't come without the brackets, and these are riveted or something in here, I'm going to have to remove the brackets and just put them on the new coil. So let's get that done. So I just set one of the hold down bolts for the coil down, and I knocked it, and it has disappeared into the void of the engine bay. So this being 5 seconds from being finished might turn into 2 hours. We'll find out. So we got the new coil and distributor in right back there. So let's fire her up and see how she works. Seems to be running pretty good. Enjoyed the student driver sticker my dad stuck on the side of the truck for fun. And we'll figure just take her for a test drive here pretty soon. Alright, so let's go on the test drive here and pull out for the first time, so let's go. Throwing mud everywhere since the driveway is a big mess. Alrighty, we're at speed. So another successful project in the books. See you next time.